Hi Jennifer, this is Brandon, Burtness, Chevy, Buick, GMC, and Whitewater. Doing a quick walk around video for you of the 2020 Chevy Traverse. This is the Premier all-wheel drive. This one's loaded up pretty good. Does have the power lift gate. There's the trailer hitch underneath there. It's got the all-weather floor liners throughout the whole vehicle. Captain chairs in the middle. They are heated as well in the second row. Separate temperature controls. USB ports throughout the back of the vehicle, even in the back of the console there. Does have the sunroof. Remote start, a lot of safety features, blind spot indicators in the mirrors, heated steering wheel, forward collision alert, power seat, driver and passenger. They are programmable as well. It's got fog lamps, heated and cooled seats, wireless charging pad. This one we did sell new. The people that bought it were downsizing. It's got 18,000 miles on it, 18,321 right now. It does have built-in GPS as well. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. So again, it's loaded up pretty good. So this is Brad at Burtness in Whitewater, 262-473-6060 if you have any questions. Thank you.